Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn to Earn. Here I'll be posting stuffs which will be beneficial to you in learning to earn with different ways, be it stocks, real estate, crypto, YouTube automation and various other means, and I hope the information I share with you will benefit you. So today let's start with the Solana NFT series where I'll be posting videos on this which will help you to get started with Solana NFTs. In the first video of the Solana NFT series, we'll start with the basics on how to set up a Solana wallet and what are the different wallets available for this. I'll also show you the methods to add Sol to your wallet in the next videos, so let's go. Talking about wallets, since Solana is not EVM compatible, it runs on a different machine, so they have a different unique wallets. Wallets are like a digital vault where you store, trade or transfer your crypto or NFT assets. These come up with unique public and private keys and are protected with private keys which are used to sign transactions. So now I'll go through the top 3 available Solana wallets and show you how to set them up. First is Phantom Wallet. I prefer this since it's a widely used wallet. They are available for PC, iOS and Android. Now let's set up one very quick on the PC. First you need to go to the official website. Let me search here and click on the one it says phantom.app. The link is provided in the description below. You can see the download options here. Click on it and now click on the download options where you prefer to install it. You can see the download options for both iOS and Android are present here. I'm doing it for my desktop now, so scroll down to Phantom for desktop. Here select the browser you use. I'm using Firefox, so I'm gonna select that. You can go for Brave or Chrome too for the best experience. Now here you need to click on add to Firefox option and give the permission to add. It will finish adding the wallet and now you can see a new tab. Here we can see we need to either create a new wallet or import an old one. So let's create a new wallet. Click on create a new wallet. Now create and confirm the password. Let's agree to the terms and click on continue. Now here you can see your secret recovery phrase. And I will request you to please note it down and save it somewhere secretly since it's very confidential. Anyone can access your wallet with your seed phrase, so there will be no mercy, so please keep it safe. And try not to lose it since it's the only backup option available. So I'll take a screenshot here. Also I'm revealing this phrase here since this is just for the video purpose and I'll not use this wallet obviously. Now check the box saying I have saved the secret recovery phrase only after you have noted it down. Click continue. This is the shortcut to open Phantom. Click continue here as well. And you have successfully created a Phantom Solana wallet. Click on the top Phantom logo to open your wallet extension. In case you don't find it, just look out for the extension option in the options. In Firefox you can get that here in the add-ons and themes. And here in the extension you can enable or disable it. Now let's just go back and open the wallet. Enter your password and click unlock. Your wallet is now up. You can see your wallet address. You can just click on it to copy. Basically it's your public address from which you can send or receive the crypto or NFT assets. And do note, while receiving, send only Solana based tokens to this address. Any other will be lost. Your tokens will appear here. You can see you currently have 0 Sol. You can also deposit or send using these options here. I'll go through these options later or in the next video. Let's just understand only wallets for now. In this tab you can see your collectibles or any non-fungible tokens I can say will appear here in this tab. The next one is the in-app exchange tab where you can trade or exchange your Sol or any other tokens in your wallet to any other tokens. In the recent activity tab we'll see all the recent activities, transfers and trades that are done recently from the wallet. The last one here is the settings tab. Here you can change the language. I'll keep it as English. You can also change your wallet name to anything here. I'll keep it as main Sol. With the address book you can store any address with which you are going to interact frequently. Let's just say it's the address of your friend. You can just add here with the label, say friend1 and his address and just click add. Next we have the trusted app section. It will show you all those sites that will be connected with the wallet and you can manage or disconnect with them anytime here. Chain network is to change your network from the main net to the test net or any other. This is just for the testing purposes, so you need to be on the mainnet all the time. In security, you can just change your wallet password, set auto lock timer to lock the wallet after a certain time, and also hide the scam collectibles. This is the new feature, I think. You can also view your private key here. You need to enter your password in order to view it. Also, do not share your private key anywhere. Here's your private key, which is used to sign all your transactions and is very confidential. Let's go back. Also, if you haven't noted down your seed phrase, you can just view it here again. Enter your password, and again don't share it anywhere. We can see the seed phrase here. You can also remove your wallet if you have multiples, and also reset the secret recovery phrase here. Now let's go back to the home page and go to the top left 3 lines. You can add new or connect your wallet here. To add, you will have 2 options. Either you can create a new one or import your old one using the private key of the wallet. We will see it next. Here below we can see help and support, and we can also lock our wallets with one click here. And yes, this was all about the Phantom wallet and all the basic options that are available in a Solana wallet. Now let's look at our next wallet, which is Solflare. Let us search for it. Go to solflare.com website. This link is also provided in the description below. Here we can see a similar option as we saw on the Phantom website. This wallet is best for Android users as far as my personal experience. Just click on the download. Now here we need to select where you want to install. I'm going to select Firefox since I want it there. Click on download. Similar to Phantom, select add to Firefox here. Give the permission and it will be added. Now click on Solflare wallet. We can see we have 2 options here, to create a new wallet or import an already existing one. Since we have already created a new wallet on Phantom, let's try to import it here. Click on I already have a wallet. Here you need to enter the seed phrase of your old wallet which you already created with Phantom. I'll enter it here. Now click on continue. After you have entered your secret recovery phrase, you need to enter a password for the wallet and confirm the password. Now click on continue here as well. You had no Sol balance on your old wallet, so it's saying no active wallets found. Just click on advanced here. You will have some wallets to choose. Just click on your Phantom wallet to see your wallet address, or just select the old address which you want to import. I'm gonna import this. Now let's select it and click continue with the wallet ticked. And you have successfully set up the Solflare wallet and have imported your old wallet here. Now I'll explain to you why it showed different address when you try to import the wallet. Normally, a secret recovery phrase of a wallet you have is the main parent wallet, which will have different child wallets with different private keys linked to the same wallet recovery phrase. Secret recovery phrase of the parent wallet and all its child wallets will be same, only the private keys will be different. Let me show you an example here. Let's just add a new wallet here on Phantom. Click on create new wallet here and it gets created instantly with the name wallet 2. We can see we have 2 wallets here, wallet 1 and wallet 2. Let us just try to check the secret recovery phrase, and here we can see they are the same as the old one. It is just the recovery phrase of your whole Phantom wallet. Now when we go to check the private key of the wallet here, we can see it is different to that of first wallet. You can see that here. See, it's different. Hope you got it. Now let's explore the Solflare wallet. Here you can see it's quite similar to Phantom. They have an in-app staking option too here. Let's expand the view. It will just redirect you to the staking page where you can stake your Sol. We have an NFT collectible tab where you can manage your NFTs. Next is the in-app exchange. And here in the settings we have the same features, network, address book. I'll just skip it. We also have an appearance tab here where you can switch between dark and light mode. I'm gonna go with dark since I love the dark. Here you have the notifications tab. The browser looks unsupported here, but this works best for mobile phones. Here you have language tab, help and support. Let's check on the security. You can see a similar trusted apps tab. The sign message log tab shows all the previous signed logs. Here you can hide the balances if you want and auto lock too. Let us just go back. In the account section here, we can rename the account and also view the seed phrase and private key of the wallet. In the other option, we can see many child wallets. We can just enable them if you want by ticking them. Below here, we can also import another new wallet with the private key and also import the ledger wallet. I'll make a different video to set up ledger wallets. Now this was all about the Solflare wallet. Now let us just check on Slope wallet. It is not available on Firefox. I'll need to show it on the Brave browser. Let's open the Brave. Set up the wallet in a similar way as before. I'll just import the same wallet here. Let's open Slope wallet where we can see our wallet address. We can copy it. Here they have send and receive options with the buy Sol option. You can just buy Sol through any of the mentioned mediums here. They have the trusted app sections here as well. And this is the add wallet option. We can add a child wallet or import or create a new parent wallet too with a different seed phrase. This is one of the extra features here. You can see your collectibles here in this tab, and they also have the in-app exchange. In settings, we have similar options you know already. Now let me quickly show you how the trusted app shows and what additional features Loop wallet have here. First, go to any Solana based decentralized exchange or any site. I'll go to the Magic Eden NFT marketplace. I'll also make a video on this too since it's the main Solana NFT marketplace. Connect your wallet here, select Slope and click connect here. And now on the trusted apps it will show you have connected to Magic Eden. Here you can revoke anytime. Also they have the auto approve option here, which is not available in either Phantom or Solflare. Auto approve is automatically approving your transaction without any confirmation, which is useful at times and at the same time is very risky. And this was all about Slope wallet. Now we have reached the end of the video. In this video we have learned about the basics of Solana wallets and also the top 3 Solana wallets. Hope you liked it. Do share your doubts in the comment section below if any. If you find the video helpful, then do like and share the video, subscribe and share the channel, and click on the notification bell icon to get notified on all the upcoming videos. Thanks guys, take care and have a great day.